Thank you again for that question. I think, ang pinaka-important namin aral na nakuha ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya ay maging mabuting tao. Yun talaga Ate Bianca. Just be good and it'll all come back to you one way or another. Ano sa inyo lahat? I'm really sorry. Okay, I love you guys. I love you all so much. The biggest lesson I learned from this house is to just spread love, stay positive. You never know what will happen. And cherish the people around you and be thankful for them. Maraming salamat, Kuya, to everybody's here.
I hope this shows you boys how loved you are. Maraming salamat.